Hello and welcome back to our channel.
Today's video is for days 2 and 3 of Minnesota's stay-at-home order, or in our case, stay-in-bus order.
We hope you like it. Nancy routed all these grooves here so the boards fit over these metal rails. Only way to get to those welds to grind them out would be to remove all of this half-inch subfloor, and it's really not that bad a shape. Be cautious of the fact you can over tighten and pull it down, especially in, this area on each side of here.
You don't want me to pull it down? You just want
No, I want it to be flat. I want you to pull it to where, and then I want that glue to dry underneath. I don't want to squeeze the glue super out. I want the glue to dry at the right height. Seems to have worked.
Yeah, when you get down here, you can really see how uneven the floor is. The original floor from the bus. It really curves in towards the rail.
I bought my generator a couple weeks ago. Where is it? There it is. Might as well get this thing up and running so I can start welding. After filling the generator with oil and gas, I decided to try to start it. I gave it a couple pulls and then thought, you know what, maybe there's a fuel shut off on here, a choke. I don't know what all is going to be here. And of course I hadn't read the directions yet at this point. Well, looking it over, I found a fuel shut off. I turned on the fuel, I found a choke, I pulled the choke on. It's probably 40 degrees out in Minnesota at this time, so it's not going to hurt it any. I then gave it a couple half-ass pulls on my knees, stood up, gave it one good pull, and it started right up. Kind of expected this. Every Honda small gas engine I've ever bought in my life has started right up and continues to start right up for as long as I've ever owned them. The old coach outdoor AC unit was in there. Off to the right there, that's the diesel fuel tank. I can do nothing about that. But off to the left, that's the indoor evaporator unit for the coach over the road. I am removing that. If I remove that, hopefully I can turn this sideways. I might have to get rid of a lot of this stuff. I want to get rid of the tank on the top. I want a separate auxiliary tank. I don't know. I want to hopefully they'll be able to fit the generator there and the AC condenser unit there. Let's see how it works. For now it's just the generator. My little rivet girl. Rosie the unriveter.
Sure, I don't have my bandana on today. I have one on yesterday.
A little bit of tension on there, wasn't there?
A little bit. Oh,
best one yet. Look at that.
You're getting good at it.
Just a little. If you get it pried up just enough, you can, boop, pop it right in there.
The cabinets that we chose to go with came with plastic legs.
Yeah, they were pre-installed. We weren't going to have legs on them because Andy's going to make a frame for them, but they had the legs on them. And the center dowel that attached the legs to the cabinets had this extra little pin in it that helped it to spread out so it held tight. So if you pulled them out by hand, pried them out with a screwdriver or a pry bar or something, you would break apart the wood around the dowel hole. And that would lessen the strength of the structure of the cabinet. So I ended up taking the, what is that? The
Flush trim, buzz. I call it a buzz saw. I don't know what it's called.
that saw, and just I would pry up the plastic as much as I could get it up and slip the little saw underneath there and buzz the plastic a little bit and just cut through that center dowel, and then the other two would just pop it right out. But it took a couple tries to figure that out, and it was kind of a pain in the butt. But
yeah, by the end you had a good technique going.
Yeah. By the end, those last two looked great.
And the plastic legs probably would work great if you're putting them in a house and they're just sitting static. But when you're in a bus and it's going around corners and going on bumps.
And all those vibrations.
I decided that building a steel framework that all the cabinets bolt to would be the best way to do it. So we spent most of the day cutting, cleaning, and chamfering about 70 or so pieces of steel. Tomorrow we get to weld.
Mm-hmm. That should be fun. He gets to teach me how to weld tomorrow.
Wish me luck. I've taught a couple hundred people how to weld.
Yeah, you've never taught me how to weld.
No. Having fun cleaning steel?
Isn't it a glamorous job?
Yeah, almost as glamorous as cutting it.
After smelling your arm hair burn, I would much rather clean the steel than cut it.
Okay. I should have put my leather coat on.
Yeah, that probably would have been a good idea, or the gloves.
Ooh. It's acetone. It's freezing on my hands. Did you know
You can kind of see the sunset. It's pretty. Kind of pink. Yes, I do know the acetone is freezing. Look at this is, let's see, can we see it? This is the fourth glove just for my right hand because it keeps tearing. I don't know if it's the acetone or if it's the, yeah, because it's just that one finger on that hand the whole time.
We ended day 3 with a little bit of stargazing from the roof. Beautiful evening.
Nice clear night, nice clear sky.
Yeah. And then we thought we're going to crawl into bed, fill up the air mattress, crawl into bed, and get a good night's sleep.
We thought we were going to get a good night's sleep.
Air mattress had a mind of its own. Filled it up, or Nancy filled it up. I didn't think she filled it up well enough. I said, you didn't do a good enough job. When the truth is, there was a hole in it right from the get-go.
As soon as I get around it from turning it off to put the sheet on the corner, I'd touch the side of it and it would already be.
Luckily, we're renting a house 8-9 miles from here, and we decided that our stay-at-home order meant we went to that home. And around midnight last night, we
Had a really good night's sleep.
Yeah, wonderful night's sleep. Thanks for watching our video. I hope you liked it. And until next time, peace.
See you later.
Smash that like button!
Oh my god.
See, doesn't that feel better?
Oh.
Lightly tapped her like that. She doesn't like it being smashed.
Oh my god, there you go. Feels like I'm gonna fall over again.
I love you.
I love you too.
I wasn't talking to you, I was talking to them.
Oh, fuck you!
But I do love you. So I stop the recording now?
Yes, you should stop the recording now.
That's the first time I ever used that drill bit. That was a brand new drill bit.
Well, it's gone now.
In lieu of the plastic legs.
Stop.
Hello and welcome back to our channel.
Today's video is days 2 and 3 of Minnesota stay-at-home order, or in our case, stay-in-bus order.